नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सुरू करणार चॅप्टर नंबर 2, डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर अँड हायर डिग्री. अ जनरल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर अँड nth डिग्री is f of x y p is equal to p raised to n a1 p raised to n minus 1 a2 plus a2 p raised to n minus 2 plus up to plus a n minus 1 p plus an is equal to 0, where a1 a2 an are the functions of x and y and p is a operator dy by dx. The method of solving this first method is nothing but equation solvable for p. If the given equation is solvable for p, then it can be written in the form of f of xyp is equal to p into f1 of xy p minus f2 of xy p minus f2 of xy equation. Therefore we can solve these factors separately, and combining the solution we get the general solution of given equation. So we directly see by examples. Example 1, solve p square minus 2p p square minus 7p plus 10 is equal to 0. So given differential equation is p square minus 7p plus 10 is equal to 0. So we can factorize this equation as p minus 2 and p minus 7, that is the product is 10 and sum is minus 7, that is the p minus 2 and p minus 5 is equal to 0. So p minus 2 is equal to 0 or p minus 5 is equal to 0, but p is equal to dy by dx. That is the dy by dx minus 2 is equal to 0 and dy by dx minus 5 is equal to 0. So first consider dy by dx minus 2 is equal to 0. So dy minus 2 dx is equal to 0. This is a variable separable form. Directly integrate. Throughout we get integration of dy is y, integration of dx is x, that is the y minus 2x is equal to integrating constant c. This is the first solution of first. Similarly, consider dy by dx minus 5 is equal to 0. dy minus 5 dx is equal to 0. So this is again a variable separable form. Directly integrate, that is y minus 5x is equal to c. This is the second solution, and combining both the solutions, that is y minus 2x minus c into y minus 5x minus c is equal to 0, which is the required general solution of given equation. Now second example, solve p minus 1 upon p is equal to x upon y minus y upon x. So given differential equation is p minus 1 upon p is equal to x upon y minus x. This is a given equation number 1. Now multiplying throughout by xyp, throughout multiply by xyp. So xy p ने multiply केलं तर xy p square. Here xy x square p plus y square p minus xy is equal to 0. Now we can take xp as a common here. So here we can take xp as a common, राहील yp minus x. सेकंड टर्म्स मधून लास्ट टू टर्म्स मधून आपण y कॉमन घेऊ शकतो. yp मायनस एक्स कॉमन राहील. पुन्हा एका ब्रॅकेट पहिल्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये yp मायनस एक्स अँड दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये xp प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 0. नाव वी कॅन सॉल्व दिस xp plus y is equal to 0 or yp minus x is equal to 0. So put x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So consider this x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to y minus x. So dy upon y is equal to dx minus dx upon x. This is a variable separable form. So integrating both sides, integration of dy upon y is equal to minus integration dx upon x plus integrating constant c1, that is log y. Integration of 1 upon y is log y minus log x is equal plus log c. There's a we can take integrating constant as a log c. So log of xy is equal to log c. Taking cancelling log from both sides, we get xy is equal to c. This is the xy minus c is equal to 0. This is the first solution of first equation. Now second equation, y into dy by dx minus x is equal to 0. So y dy minus x dx is equal to 0. This is a variable separable form. In taking integration, we get x square by 2 minus x square by 2 up is equal to c1. So x square minus y square minus x square is equal to 2c1, that is denote c is equal to 2c1. So y square minus x square is equal to c. This is a second solution, and combining this xy minus c into y square minus x square minus c is equal to 0, which is the general solution of given equation. This is the first type solvable for p. Now second type, these are similar example, you may try at home. Okay, now next type, equation solvable for y. Example, solve y plus px is equal to x raised to 4 into p square. Given differential equation is y is equal to minus px plus x square x raised to 4 p square. इक्वेशन जर सॉल्वेबल फॉर पी असेल तर त्याला या प्रकारे लिहिता येतं, वाय एका बाजूला आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला इक्वेशन ऑफ पी ए पी अँड एक्स जर अशा प्रकारे लिहिता येत असेल दॅन इट इज द सॉल्वेबल फॉर पी. गिवन इक्वेशन कसं लिहिता येतं, वाय एका बाजूला आहे आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला पूर्ण फंक्शन आहे पी आणि एक्सचं. सो दिस इज अ सॉल्वेबल फॉर वाय. नाव डिफरन्शिएटिंग इक्वेशन 1 विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, याला डिफरन्शिएट करा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू. सो वी गेट डी वाय बाय डी एक्स, वायचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह डी वाय बाय डी एक्स मायनस पी इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स इज 1. नंतर एक्स मायनस एक्स इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ पी इज डी पी बाय डी एक्स प्लस अगेन यू इंटू व्ही रूल वापरावा लागेल. एक्स रेस्ट पी स्क्वेअर कॉमन, एक्स रेस्ट टू 4चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 4x क्यूब, नंतर एक्स रेस्ट टू 4 कॉमन, पी स्क्वेअरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2p इंटू डी पी बाय डी एक्स इन द वन ब्रॅकेट डी वाय बाय डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू पी टाकू शकतो आपण. म्हणजेच आपल्याला इकडे पी मायनस हा मायनस पी इकडे आल्यानंतर 2p होईल. 2p प्लस एक्स डी पी बाय डी एक्स इन वन ब्रॅकेट मायनस 2p एक्स क्यूब कॉमन काढला आपण 2 क्यूब एक्स क्यूब सेकंड टर्म्समधून, तर काय येईल 2p प्लस एक्स डी पी बाय डी एक्स इज अगेन इन द वन ब्रॅकेट इज इक्वल टू 0. पहिल्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 2p प्लस एक्स डी पी बाय डी एक्स आणि सेकंड ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 1 मायनस 2p एक्स क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 0. The factor 1 minus 2p x cube does not contains the terms dp by dx, so we can neglect this, that is 2p plus x dp by dx is equal to 0. That is the 2 into dx upon x plus dp by p is equal to 0, which is variable separable form. So direct integrating 2 into integration dx upon x plus integration dp by dx dp by p is equal to log c. So 2 log x plus log p is equal to log c, that is log of x square p is equal to log c. Cancelling log from both side, x square p is equal to c. There is a p is equal to c upon x square. Putting this value of p in equation 1, we get y is equal to c upon x square into x plus x raised to 4 into c upon x square bracket square. So cancelling x, so we get y is equal to minus c upon x plus c square. So xy plus c minus cx square, which is the required general solution of given equation 1. Similarly, these are the some more examples on solvable for y. In the next lecture आपण solvable for x बघूया.